to Laurie's Learning Tree. Today, we will be learning about syllables. What are syllables? A syllable is a single sound or beat in a word. It's like a small chunk of the word that you hear when you say it. For example, the word apple has 2 beats or sounds. Pull. And the word cat has 1 beat or sound. Cat. You can often clap your hands or tap your fingers to count the syllables in a word. Time for an I do. Listen as I clap and say the syllables in the words. Banana. Ba-nan-a. How many syllables? House. House. How many syllables? Meatball. Meat. Ball. How many syllables? Turtle. Turtle. How many syllables? Great job, friends! Time for a we do. Look at the pictures. Clap the beats in the words. Say how many syllables or beats you hear in each word. How many syllables? How many syllables? How many syllables? How many syllables? You do! Now, it's your turn. Pause the video. Click the link in the description box to print a copy of the practice page. Check your work by continuing the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.